In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails on Wix. If you're looking to enhance your email marketing strategy and keep your subscribers engaged with timely, automated messages, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily set up automated emails using Wix. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. If you're not yet a member, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, head over to your Wix dashboard, the central hub where you manage your website and all its components. From there, locate and click on the Marketing SEO option found on the left-hand side of the menu. This will take you into a suite of tools designed to help you promote and manage your online presence. Within this section, we're interested in automated emails, so you will need to navigate to the Email Marketing option, and then select Automations. Automations are a powerful way to engage with your audience without having to manually create each email. Once you're in the Automations section, you'll see a variety of options tailored to various needs, like welcoming new subscribers, thanking customers for their purchase, or even reminding them of abandoned carts. Now, when you're ready to start creating your first automation, look for an option to create new automation. This is usually prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on this will bring up a number of templates that you can choose from. These templates are categorized to help you find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a welcome email, a follow-up email, or any other type of communication. After selecting a template, you'll enter the email editor. Here, you can customize the content of your email to align with your brand's voice and objectives. Take your time to craft a compelling subject line and ensure that the body of your email reflects your intended message and tone. It's crucial to personalize the email content to resonate with your audience, potentially by including their name or tailoring content based on their previous interactions with your business. As part of the editing process, don't forget to include a call to action. This could be a button that leads them to your website, an offer, or any other direct action you want them to take. Keep your call to action clear and enticing to inspire engagement. Before you set this email automation live, you'll want to review all the details carefully. Wix provides a preview option to send a test email to yourself, which is an invaluable step in the process to ensure that everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with how it all looks, it's time to activate your automation. Make sure the trigger conditions are correctly set, such as when a visitor subscribes to your newsletter or makes a purchase, so your emails send at the most applicable times. Congratulations! You've now successfully created an automated email on Wix. Make sure to periodically review your campaigns, checking their performance and adjusting them as necessary to maximize success. It's always a good strategy to continually optimize the content and timing of your emails to better reach and resonate with your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these email automations on Wix to be an invaluable tool in your marketing efforts.